Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Here is the small garden in Vienna. As you can see, the smart guy made something like this as one detector or something like this. It is working pretty well. As you can see, it's stable. We don't have too much. We have too much stability, and this is valid. This is working maybe since 2 years. Never crashed or fall down. It's a good idea to make something like this. It's very easy. Need 4 tire wraps and 2-3 bottles to make something like this. Thanks for watching.